Done.
Okay, circle the correct answer. Okay, read number 1.
Aziz, can you help me to carry the
The, and then
of
read,
banana
bananas.
to
Heavy.
heavy.
It's too heavy. Sangat berat, too heavy. So, Aziz, can you help me to carry the of bananas? It's too heavy. So, is it the bouquet of bananas, the group of bananas, the gang of bananas, or the bunch of bananas?
A bunch of bananas.
Yes, very good. So, circle the bunch of bananas. Okay, read number 2.
I'm going to have a
Farewell.
farewell party. Will be invite to
Invited.
our house.
Invited to our
Invite,
Okay, I'm going to
invite
have a farewell party. Farewell party ni apa? Party
my
selamat tinggal. Bye-bye. So, we'll be invited to our house. What does invited means? Invited maksudnya dijemput. So, is it a swarm of bees will be invited to our house? A troop of soldiers will be invited to our house? A party of friends will be invited to our house? Or a collection of stamps will be invited to our house? Which one?
a party of friends.
Yes, a party of friends. So, Pixie. Okay, read number 3.
The match will start at 4 p.m. We are still waiting for 12
Arrive.
arrive.
The match. Apa maksud match? Match maksudnya perlawanan. So, the match will start at 4 p.m. Perlawanan tu akan bermula pukul 4. We are still waiting for the waiting. What does waiting means?
Waiting, sabar.
No, waiting tunggu. Okay, we are still waiting. Kami masih lagi menunggu to arrive. What does arrive means? Arrive tu sampai. Jadi diorang masih tunggu apa yang sampai. A group of girls to arrive, a gang of thieves to arrive, a team of players to arrive, or a staff of teachers to arrive. Dia nak tengok perlawanan ni. Which one?
A, a gang, a team of players.
Very good. A team of players. Good job. Okay, read number 4.
When we were in
We were.
London,
We were in London.
we were in London. We were
We were
being, we were be,
being
robbed,
robbed
being robbed by a
of thieves.
gang of
Very
thieves.
good. A gang of thieves. Good job. Okay, read number 5.
Look at the old man. He is still strong. He can carry
A what of sticks?
sack.
No. Sticks. Baru buat tadi. Sticks. Is it collection of sticks, set of sticks, a bundle of sticks, or flat of
A
sticks?
bundle of
Yes, a bundle of sticks. Very good. Okay, read number 6.
of teachers from Selangor will
Visits
us next
Next.
week.
Of teachers from Selangor will visit us next week. What of teachers? A crowd of teachers, a group of teachers, a staff of teachers, or a gang of teachers?
A group of teachers.
No.
A
This one.
staff.
Yes, a staff of teacher. Very good. Okay, read number 7.
Pak Ali is a
Carpenter.
carpenter. He
Usually.
usually brings to work.
Carpenter. What does carpenter means? Carpenter tu tukang kayu. Tukang buat perabot. So, Pak Ali is a carpenter. He usually brings, dia selalu bawa apa ke kerja? Bale of cotton, a pack of cards, a group of island, or a set of tools.
A set of tools.
Very good, a set of tools. Okay, we're gonna stop our class here. Okay,